At 2:17 a.m., Sahil sat alone in his room, staring at a glowing laptop screen. His final presentation was in a few hours. Slides were incomplete. Confidence was missing. Failure felt close. He came from a middle-class family where every opportunity mattered. No personal mentor, no expensive coaching classes. English was difficult, and deadlines never waited. While his classmates seemed prepared, he struggled silently, wondering if he was falling behind. Out of frustration, he opened an AI tool with no real expectations. What happened next surprised him. The AI helped him organize his thoughts, improve his language, and explain complex ideas in simple words. He practiced again and again, without fear of being judged. For the first time, learning felt supportive instead of stressful. The next morning, he stood in front of his class. His voice was steady, his ideas were clear, he answered questions with confidence. The applause wasn't just for the presentation, it was for his growth. That day, he understood something important. AI didn't do the work for him, it helped him do it better. For millions of students like him, AI is not replacing effort, it is unlocking potential.